going on, everybody? I'm up here in the Shenandoah Mountains today, looking for the ruins of an old Christian mission. So this place is really interesting. Kept seeing it on the park website and I just had to visit. But you know, during the 20th century, or turn of the 20th century, an Episcopal minister named Frederick Neve wanted to build missions about every 10 miles along the Blue Ridge Mountains. And this mission was built in 1902, and two people, the Towle sisters, Florence and Marion, were sent to this mission to try and bring the people of the mountains closer to God. And there was only two buildings down here. There's a very small cabin, just the basic necessities to live in, and very small kitchen, sleeping quarters, and then there's another building that used to double as a schoolhouse and a church. So we're gonna find those today and check them out. And I hear there's a cemetery down here too, so we'll see if we can find that. But it's pretty interesting. There's actually a lot of old missions, and there's old settlements out in the mountains in Virginia. I guess back in the mid-1930s, the government bought out this land to turn it into a park. And reportedly, it was over 800 individuals got bought out. And the government took their land and made it into the Shenandoah Park, Skyline Drive that we know today. So I thought that was really interesting. Anyhow, I'll stop talking. Let's go check it out. Well, here we are, guys. This is the ruins of the Pocosin Mission. This is the old cabin where the Towle sisters used to stay. As you can tell, it's definitely seen better days. It's actually hard to believe people actually lived in here 100 years ago. I'm surprised it's even still standing. Here we have the ruins of the old church / schoolhouse. Not a whole lot left of it. It's actually pretty large. The foundation goes all the way back about 35 feet. Back when this thing was still standing. Must have actually been probably one of the biggest buildings for quite some ways. Looks like this used to be part of a church tower, part of a steeple.